Hi there, girls. It's Krista from We Things Are What Matter. Now we're going to continue. This is the portion where we actually have the box to be made. Now the box is very easy in that in order to get the size I wanted, I simply cut strips, crossed them over, adhered them together for both the top and bottom. Now, for the top of the box, we're working with one piece that's 11 inches by 3.5. The other piece is 10.25 inches by 4 1/8. Okay, so this is 3.5 inches wide. This is 4 1/8. So, in order to be able to use an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of paper, we score the first one, which is the one that travels the length of the box, at 3 3/8, and then flip your paper over and score at 3 3/8 there. These are the sides, that will be the top. Your second piece, you're going to again score at 3 3/8 down one side, flip it over, 3 3/8 here as well. So now these two boxes, or two strips, I simply put some, let me see if I can get my knife here, some score tape on the bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to line, if you fold this flap over, if you line this up with the edge of this one that's on the table, and try to watch and make sure that this edge here is lined up, put it down, give it a press. You're going to do that with both pieces. This will give you this shape. So, in order to make this into a box, what I did was I cut 1 inch strips that were 3 3/8 long. Okay, and you need 8 of these. And I scored down the middle at the 1/2 inch mark, and then I simply took the scallop chomper and chomped the corners, and it's simply for decoration. I prefer having a bit of a finished edge. Now on that, you can put glue, or I can quickly just do, just beside the crease, never on the crease. And you can do this with glue if you've got the patience to hold it for a moment, but for the sake of time and speed with this video, we're going to use score tape. I don't have 3/8, so I'm using 1/8 and 1/4 inch. Give that a good push so that you've got them grabbing. Take your backing off of one side. Give it a bit of a squeeze so you've got a square, kind of a, oops, where are we here? Bit of a square going here. Now what I find I do is, if you take and you, the side that still has the tape on it, bring this up, if you slide that and center it where you want it. Now this seems a little bit long. I'm going to have to shorten that. bit of modification. Never be afraid to adjust. Again, bring this back, set that. Well, still a little bit more modification required. Probably a lot tidier to do this with a chomper. Okay. So, again, slide this in. Then simply roll that over. Then you can flip this over. Match your corners. Secure it down. And that is your corner, girls. So you're going to do that with all 4 corners. You're going to go through, and again, you're going to attach this onto there, bring up the corners, do the 4 corners with the little construction pieces, and then I'll see you back here in just a moment.